Welcome to AutoCount Cloud Payroll. Today we're going to cover a new feature. So what we have here now is we have a new entitlement group. So this will be replacing our employee group from here. So we will no longer have that. We only have entitlement group. Alright, so entitlement group, what does it bring to the table? So with entitlement group, you can have more flexibility when you are setting up your entitlement groups. So as you can see here, I have a few. So for example, your company might have a few groups of foreign staff, office staff, and so on. So we can separate them out into foreign worker, kitchen, foreign worker, warehouse, office, intern staff, and your office standard staff. To create more, just click on add new. Alright, so when creating, you'll be able to create the title. Alright, and then what you can do here is you can set what kind of leaves or claims are applicable to them. So the unlimited leave type is that for leaves that have do not have any specific entitlement like unpaid leaves or anything that you can have in your own company, then select the limited one, meaning that those with entitlement. So from a list here, I can select, for example, if my office standard employees are only entitled to the standard leave except paternity leave. Alright, this is an example. So I just remove this option, click, and it will not appear here. So when I set up the entitlement, they will not be able to see that. So for a quick example, let me go to intern. Alright, so for this intern, I only create medical leave for them, and I have set up the entitlement here. To set up, just click on add detail and you can key in the period. So from service duration of 0 to 3 years, they are entitled to 15 days. BF is carry forward, and expiry date is, you can select the dates for the carry forward leave to be expired. So you can create multiple columns if you have more. So from the 3rd year to the 4th year, 16 days, and if you have more entitlements, you can create even more. So once I've done this, meaning that my office intern employees can only have access to medical leave. So in order to set up claims, you just go to the claim tab and add detail. Alright, so select the claims that you can have. Alright, for example, medical, I key in the yearly limit of 1,500, monthly 500, and per visit 100. This is a quick example. Click on save. Alright, so now my office intern staff can only be entitled to unpaid leave, medical leave, and also medical claim. At the bottom here, you will be able to select which admin user or payroll user will have access to this group. For example, you might say the main admin can only view these groups, or you have two admins that can have access to this office intern group to be able to change, view the calendars and salary information, so on. So you select them from here. Once that's done, click on save. So now we have multiple groups. So for this employee, in order to set up the entitlement, you go to the employee profile, go to employment detail, and you can select the entitlement group here. So now let me go to office intern, the one that we created earlier. Alright, and then, or maybe we just leave it on kitchen. Alright, so this change, select anyone that is here, click on save. So once that is done, when this employee goes to apply for their leave and claim, they can click on anyone, so leave. So when they select leave, the entitlements are the only 3 that you set up. So if you have your foreign staff, the kitchen and warehouse, they might have different entitlements or different kind of leaves. They only appear as set up, so you will not appear anything else. Alright, so same goes for the claim option, where just now we only created one medical claim, so you only have one claims available for this group of employee. Alright, so thank you for your time. This is it for the entitlement group. Thank you.